What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yota Expedition here, and behind me we have our 2022 4Runner that we're going to be doing a build on. Now, there is a few things already done to this, but I am going to be going over the 5 different things that I don't like about this thing, so let's get into it. Number 1 would be this thing right here, the throttle pedal, which is almost non-responsive off of the lot. Feels like the thing has no power. You have to really push it for it to even pull out, but that's why we went ahead and installed a pedal commander. It's a super easy install and it makes a huge difference. Number 2 would have to be the window switches. I don't know why they put them on top of the door panel like this, but it just seems like an awkward and weird position to open and close the windows. The Tacoma isn't like this. I actually like where they have them in the Tacoma, but I don't know, just seemed like an odd place to put it. Number 3 would have to be the factory suspension on this thing, which rides really soft. When you take turns, it has a lot of body roll. When you're hard on the brakes, it has a lot of nosedive. And from factory, the front naturally sits lower than the rear. So we're gonna be able to fix that with either a leveling kit or a lift kit in the near future. Number 4 would be the chrome badges that come on this thing. Now, we already did put our black emblem overlay on all the chrome badges, but the chrome is just horrible from factory. The TRD Pro comes with black, which is the highest trim and the most desired look. So I think they all should have came with the black emblems, but if you want some black emblems, we have them on YotaExpedition.com. And number 5 would have to be the tires that came on this from stock. Now, this is a TRD off-road edition, and the tires that came on this were definitely not good for off-road. They were just like a passenger tire. So we went ahead and threw some 265/75 Geo Landers on here. These are a mud terrain, and these are definitely gonna perform a lot better in off-road situations. So there you have it, 5 things that I don't like about the 4Runner. Now, that's all personal preference. Maybe you guys will agree with some of them. Let me know down in the comments. And if you wanna do any of the upgrades that we did to our 4Runner, whether it be the tires, the emblem overlays, the pedal commander, all that stuff is available on YotaExpedition.com. I'll put a link down in the description. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.